Welcome to our video on PROfirst CAD. Here we show you how easily CAD files can be cleaned up and prepared for production. For this example, we're using the following drawing. First, we keep only the relevant area and remove all unnecessary elements with just a few clicks. Next, we check the scaling. When measuring, we notice that the part is drawn at a 1:5 scale. With the scale command, you have several options. If the scaling factor is known, you can simply enter it, in our case, factor 5. If the factor is not known, just enter the current dimension and the desired final dimension. PROfirst CAD automatically calculates the correct scaling factor and scales the entire drawing precisely to the required size. In the next step, we edit all holes with a diameter of 25 mm. According to customer specifications, these must be produced with a tolerance of plus 0.2 mm. Instead of adjusting each hole individually, you simply enter the new target diameter of 25.2 mm. With one click, all holes of 25 mm are changed to 25.2 mm. Especially for larger drawings, this function saves significant time and prevents manual errors. Now let's take a look at layers and line types. Using the filter, you can selectively highlight specific elements, for example, all light blue lines defined as open contours. These filtered elements can then be removed with a single click. Marking lines can also be converted into cutting contours just as easily. To do this, select the marking filter and change the line color or processing type with one click. Even more convenient is the Change Line Type command. PROfirst CAD automatically detects all line types present in the drawing. You can then convert, for example, all open contours to construction lines or marking to cutting lines, quickly, safely, and with just a few clicks. With PROfirst CAD, you prepare your drawings for production significantly faster than using large and unwieldy CAD programs. Would you like to test PROfirst CAD with your own files? Contact us or simply send us your drawings. We'll be happy to show you in an online demonstration how to efficiently edit DXF, DWG, GEO or DSTV-NC files and prepare them perfectly for your production workflow.